What's up? Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
Cause you're young.
Mel.
What's up, y'all? I'm about to get into this rate me 1 through 10 video, bro. Stay tuned. It's about to be late. And like, comment, subscribe if you want. Y'all about to hit me with another banger. Hey, what's up?
Hey, how are you?
Good. Hey, can you rate me 1 through 10?
Pardon?
Can you rate me 1 through 10?
An 8.
Thank you.
So, how about that? Okay, I got a question.
Mm-hmm.
You think you heat up the milk, right? And then you pour the cereal in it. Do you think that's okay?
No, not at all. Hey, hold on. I got a question. Chill. Fuck. Hey, I got a question. Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
7.
I bet.
Something Mel.
What's up? Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
Cause you're young. 5.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Mel.
I thought that was the end of the video. Let's get back into it. Hey, what's up? Hey, rate me 1 through 10. Rate me 1 through 10.
¿Hablas Spanish?
What?
¿Hablas Spanish? ¿De qué tengo que estar? ¿De 1 al 10?
I got the Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
Huh?
Rate me 1 through 10.
Rate you 1 through 10?
Yeah.
At 10.
You said 10?
At 10.
Oh, alright.
Okay, guys, rate him 1 through 10. Turn the camera away from me.
Oh, that's some disrespectful shit.
Fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand. They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because.
A 7.5.
Oh.
That fat ass fucking pip on that nigga chin.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Hey, follow me. You said what?
Are you tall?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's one thing.
Alright. Hey, you should follow my YouTube.
Sure, go to your YouTube.
Melly Mel.
Bitch, we gotta really do this shit. Bitch, we really gotta do this work. We did not do it earlier. I said fucking packet I'm looking for.
Hey, I'll catch you later, though. Hey, what's up? Hey, rate me 1 to 10.
Huh?
Rate me 1 to 10.
I don't know. I got a boyfriend.
I didn't ask you. What? I didn't ask her that. Fuck your boyfriend. Fuck all that. Fuck your boyfriend. Disrespect is real. It's very real. It's like, man, I don't give a fuck. You don't care, man. Watch. Next person. About to be a whole. She about to say 10 out of 10, bro. Watch. Just wait.
Melly Mel.
Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
Every time. 7.
7? Alright. How about you?
Destiny 6.
A 6? Damn, disrespectful is real. Alright, y'all, boy. I'm tired of getting my heart broke, bro. It's real ugly gang out here. You know how we go. So, that's the end of the video, bro. I'm gonna have to end it right there.
Mel.